We have treated our women the best in the entire history of any country. You find out what was the women's position. Mahabharata took place because one woman's sari was taken off. A war took place where entire country participated in that war. And those who were the perpetrators, they were defeated. What about, why was Ravan killed? Because he kidnapped Sita. And if Rama was a Raja, he could have married any number of times. But he married only once. And for her, he went all the way to Sri Lanka and finished off Ravan and brought her back. Similarly, in other situations, you'll find women have equal positions. In fact, sometimes I feel women have got better positions. When I was looking at Brahma's cabinet, I found all the important portfolios were being held by women. I found defense was with Durga, finance was with Lakshmi, and education was with Saraswati. So I asked an Acharya, what about male gods? There are no portfolio. He said, yes, one portfolio, information broadcasting to Narad Muni. This is our tradition. Rani Jhansi. Do you know any other country where women have led armies? This is not only an exception. In Karnataka, Rani Chennamma, she also led all through. Or they were advisors, like Shivaji's mother. She used to advise him on strategy. This is the position women had.